of the cosmos, something is trying to communicate. Imagine, if you will, gazing up at the night sky, your eyes drawn to a constellation in the eastern sky known as Scutum. Now, what if I told you that from this very direction, Earth has been receiving mysterious signals? These aren't your average cosmic whispers, mind you. These signals have a pattern, a rhythm to them. They flash continuously for a precise 5 minutes before they disappear, only to reappear again every 22 minutes. It's a cosmic dance, a celestial performance that's been going on for the past 35 years. Yes, you heard that right. For over 3 decades, these signals have been reaching us, beating their steady rhythm, yet their source remains veiled in mystery. Is it a distant star sending out its dying breath? Or could it be something more sentient? The discovery of these signals wasn't a grand event marked by fanfare. Quite the contrary, it was an undergraduate student who noticed a similar signal in old data. A signal that, after 3 tantalizing months, disappeared, sparking a deeper investigation. This led our gaze towards the Scutum constellation, where the signal was found to be repeating its 22-minute cycle. This signal, now known as J183910, has been our constant cosmic companion for the past 35 years. But what could be the source of these intriguing signals? Theories abound. Some suggest a pulsar, a rapidly rotating neutron star, could be the culprit. These celestial bodies are known for their blinking patterns, much like the one we're observing. But further analysis has shown that this signal doesn't match the behavior of typical pulsars. So, what could be the source of these fascinating signals? Could it be an alien civilization, or perhaps something equally intriguing? The discovery of this cosmic mystery started with an undergraduate student, as many great discoveries often do. This student was diligently poring over old data when a peculiar pattern emerged. A signal, unlike anything seen before, was found hiding within the digital reams. It was an anomaly that sparked curiosity, a mysterious radio ping that seemed to be reaching out from the depths of the cosmos. This signal was not consistent. It was there one moment and gone the next, playing a cosmic game of hide and seek with us. It flashed continuously for a span of 5 minutes, then disappeared as if it never existed. The silence lasted for 22 minutes before the signal returned, repeating the same pattern. This cycle of appearance and disappearance continued for 3 months, after which the signal vanished completely, leaving only silence and unanswered questions in its wake. Intrigued by this cosmic enigma, the researchers decided to delve deeper. They began to comb through more data, hunting for any signs of the elusive signal. The search was extensive, spanning across years of data and vast expanses of the sky. It was a quest that required patience, determination, and an unwavering belief in the unexpected. And then, they struck gold. Nestled within the constellation Scutum, a new signal was discovered. This one was different from the previous signal. It was consistent, repeating its cryptic message every 22 minutes, and it had been doing so for the past 35 years. Unseen and unheard, this signal had been reaching out to us, waiting to be discovered. This fleeting signal led researchers to uncover a more consistent repeating signal, one that had been reaching us for the past 35 years. This repeating signal, named J183910, is a cosmic enigma that has kept scientists on their toes. This isn't your average radio signal that fades into the static background of the universe. No, J183910 stands out, with a unique pattern that has it blinking on and off every 22 minutes. It's like a lighthouse in the cosmic ocean, sending out a beacon at regular intervals. But unlike a lighthouse whose purpose is to guide, this signal only deepens the mystery of the cosmos. Its regular rhythm is intriguing, to say the least, but it's the information that it holds about its distance from Earth that really piques our interest. You see, by studying the properties of this signal, scientists can glean insights about its origin. The strength and frequency of J183910 suggests that it's not a close neighbor, but rather a distant celestial body. It's as if the signal is shouting, "I'm here, I'm far away, but I'm making sure you can hear me." Now let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of this. We're talking about a signal that has been reaching us for the past 35 years. That's right, while we've been going about our daily lives, this signal has been patiently repeating its pattern, waiting for us to take notice. But what does it mean? Is it a cosmic SOS, a celestial song, or just the universe's version of a broken record? The truth is, we don't know, not yet. And that's what makes J183910 so fascinating. It's a puzzle piece in the grand scheme of the cosmos, a single note in the symphony of the universe. Could this signal be a message from across the cosmos, or is it a natural phenomenon we have yet to understand? As we delve deeper into the mystery of J183910, only time and science will tell. At first glance, the signal resembles the blinking patterns emitted by pulsars. This was the initial hypothesis. Pulsars are neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovas. They are incredibly dense and spin at incredible speeds, emitting beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. As these beams sweep across the Earth, we perceive them as regular pulses of light and radio waves. In this case, the mysterious signal, J183910, had a rhythm. Every 22 minutes, like clockwork, it would flash across the cosmos. It was an enticing theory, wasn't it? A massive, rapidly spinning neutron star, far away in the Scutum constellation, communicating its existence through a steady, rhythmic pulse. But science demands more than enticing theories. It demands evidence, and the evidence did not align with the pulsar hypothesis. Despite the rhythmic nature of the signal, it lacked other characteristic traits of a pulsar. Pulsars have a very consistent spin rate, and their signals show a very specific, predictable pattern. But J183910, our mysterious signal, was far from predictable. Its signal strength varied wildly, and it didn't exhibit the gradual slowing down that we would expect from a pulsar. Instead, it almost seemed to be alive, changing and adapting in ways that a simple spinning star could not. So, despite its pulsar-like rhythm, J183910 was not behaving like a typical pulsar. This realization was both exciting and frustrating. On one hand, it meant that we were dealing with something truly unusual, something that could potentially revolutionize our understanding of the universe. On the other hand, it meant that we were back to square one, with no clear idea of what J183910 was or where it was coming from. This leaves us with more questions than answers. What could be the true nature of this mysterious signal? And so, the Pulsar Puzzle continues, a cosmic conundrum that keeps astronomers guessing, and the rest of us marveling at the mysteries of the universe. As we delve deeper into this cosmic mystery, the investigation continues. Scientists around the globe are tirelessly working, day in and day out, to decode the origin and meaning of this enigmatic signal, named J183910. It's an unyielding quest for understanding, a ceaseless pursuit of knowledge about our universe. Every 22 minutes, like a cosmic alarm clock, the signal reaches us. It's a constant reminder that we're not alone in this vast cosmos, that there's a universe out there, teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And every time the signal is detected, it stirs an excitement, a thrill of discovery, a sense of wonder. It's like a puzzle with infinite pieces, and every piece brings us closer to the big picture. The signal, originating from the direction of the Scutum constellation, has been continuously reaching Earth for the past 35 years. But its exact source remains elusive, hidden in the depths of the cosmos. Yet the possibility of an alien civilization or unknown celestial objects emitting these radio waves is being considered. It's a tantalizing prospect, one that could potentially change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. This isn't just a story about a signal, it's a story about humanity's quest to understand the universe. It's about the insatiable curiosity that drives us to look beyond our planet, to reach out into the cosmos, and to seek answers to questions that have puzzled us for centuries. As we look to the stars, we can't help but wonder, what secrets does the universe hold, and are we ready to uncover them? It's a question that may never be fully answered, but one that keeps us looking, keeps us exploring, keeps us dreaming. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating space mysteries.